Hi kids! Today we're going to practice reading simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's use the word little in a sentence. Follow after teacher. I can see a little mouse. I can see a little frog. I can see a little duck. Next, let's use the word for in a sentence. Ready? The bone is for the dog. The carrot is for the rabbit. The grass is for the cow. The apple is for the girl. Now let's use the word with in a sentence. Ready? The mouse is with the cat. The boy is with the girl. The horse is with the cow. Now let's try to use the word lot in a sentence. Get ready. We can see a lot of flowers. We can see a lot of trees. We can see a lot of fruits. Here comes a lot of clouds. Now let's use the word she in a sentence. Get ready. She likes to paint. She likes to skate. She loves to read. She likes to swim. Now, let's use the word see in a sentence. Ready? Follow after teacher. We can see the swing. We can see a pizza. We can see the people. We can see the stars. This time, let's use the word have in a sentence. Ready? I have a bike. My bike is new. I have a ball. My ball is big. I have a fish. My fish is big. I have a dress. My dress is new. Now let's use the word look in a sentence. Look at my dog. Look at my dog. Look at my cat. Look at my cat. Next, look at the bees. Look at us goal. Next, let's use very in a sentence. Ready? Pam was very sad. She was very scared. She walks very fast. Now, she is very happy. Let's try to use the word help in a sentence. Ready? The boy likes to help. She likes to help. We like to help. They can help. Next is the word see. Let's use this in a sentence. Ready? Can you see the clouds? Can you see the farm? Can you see the sun? Can you see your mom? Let's use the word soul in a sentence. Ready? This is so little. This ant is so little. This elephant is so big. Next. The rabbit is so fast. This turtle is so slow. Let's use the word heavy in a sentence. Ready? These books are heavy. My bag is so heavy. Did you move the heavy table? The big sack is heavy. I hope you practice reading, and please, kids, please practice reading all the time, because the more you practice, the more you become a better reader. Okay? Thanks for watching video. Like or subscribe my channel.